Hi guys, I want to introduce myself. So my name is Kate. The full name is actually pretty long, but I'll say it. If you want to find me on Facebook, I'll be happy to be your friend. It's Virshki Yekaterina, and it's Yekaterina because I'm Russian. So I was born in Russia, raised in Kazakhstan, but I lived in China for the past decade. I'm traveling the world. I studied salsa actually in China, and right now I'm in the United States, in McAllen in Texas. This been crazy trip, amazing. So me basically sharing my love for salsa and bachata for dancing with you. I hope you get this, you find this videos very useful for you. No matter what you do, if you're a bachata lover, if you're salsa lover, there you go. Please follow me on the social media as Dance with Kate. You'll see my profile right there, Dance with Kate. On the Facebook, Virshki Yekaterina, and I hope to see you around the world. Hello guys, today we're gonna do Bachata Shines traditional. Yeah, so let's go. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're gonna cross 1 and 2, and cross again 3 and 4. So making sure that as you cross, you're gonna step back, 1 to the side and back, cross to the side and back, cross to the side and back, cross to the side and back. And it's going to be your syncopated, so you're going to use the N, 1 and 2. Now hold 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You're going to cross on 7 and open up on the 8 and bring it in. Okay, one more time. 7, just from the crosses. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 7, 8 and 1. We're gonna go to the side, okay? So a little faster. 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, and here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, let's continue. We're gonna go 1, cross back, step to the side, cross forward, step to the side, cross back. So just travel side to side. Yes, so one more time. The second one, as you bring it in, go side, travel, 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 hook. Okay? When you hook, you're going to prep for the turn. Hook, you're going to turn to the right and bring the foot out and in. Out and in. Very slow again. Now, whenever you do your footwork, make sure you do not go flat foot. You go on the top, go to the ball of your toes, and make sure it's right here, small steps. Then you are able to walk really fast, moving your way from one foot to another. Rather than going flat foot, you never want to go on the heel unless it's something like this. Okay, so try it one more time. Out, in, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. You hook. Hook meaning bringing your feet together. That's a prep for the turn. Making sure you do not go with your hips. Your body is going to go 12 o'clock. So take a look right here. My hips are going towards 3 o'clock. My body towards 12. I'm using this and the floor to turn my body. It's only one turn, putting your arms in front of you. Only one turn. Stopping right here, placing your weight on the left, opening the right, and bringing it in. Yes? One more time from the top. 7. With the cross. Cross out, step, cross out, step. 7, out, in, travel 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and cross, hook, out, and from here rock step will go 1, 2, 3, tap, you you're gonna rock your hips 5, 6, 7, and. Okay, so I'm gonna come right here. This next step, after you turn, you bring your foot in, the rock step forward, 1, step in place, twist, use that twist using your hips to turn, to step back and step together. So at the same time, you want to always use the direction of your body. Never do this like this, but twist, pivot on your foot, turn your body. It looks much nicer when you do that. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna rock the hips. Take a look at my knees. I'm going side to side, moving my weight from one foot to another, and that allows my hip to move. And now I'm squeezing right here the muscles side to side, and then we're doing that in place but moving the weight. Good? Let's do it again. Okay, so the sequence number 3, when we go for the rock step, we went 1, 2, 3, 4, we went 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do the last one. You're gonna just step out, come back, step out, come back, and here you go double, so twice. Now make sure as you do that, again, you're using your body, not just the legs. That's gonna look weird. So you're angling your body towards, first 11 o'clock, bring it back, 1 o'clock, bring it back, stay here, double, bring it in, and we go back to basic. Okay, so one more time, the last one, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And you can either do as a syncopated, which will be really fast, or you can use the whole 8 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, let's put it all together from the top basics. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock step 2, 3, 4. Rock hips 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and. Good. Make sure in the last one, sometimes I can add the shoulders. This is up to you. It's just a little bit of styling to make you move a little bit more interesting. Or you can go hit right here, boom, bring it up. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it towards you so you can see how it looks from the front. So here we go with the basic. I'm doing the latest timing, so you're gonna see me mirror-wise. Just take a look. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can play around. My arms, whenever I use a lot of footwork, I don't move them too much. I just relax and let them move naturally, making sure my elbows are going to the side, not back and front. And sometimes using a little bit on my shoulders. Never forget about the body section. Here you go, traditional bachata. With music. 5, 6, 7, and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. And you can swing your hips to any side as you want. Now by yourself,